In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Chrome for Windows 11. By the end, you'll have Chrome installed and ready to use without any confusion or extra steps. Before we start, a quick note on compatibility. Google Chrome supports Windows 10 and newer, and that includes Windows 11. If you're using a Windows 11 device with an ARM processor, Chrome is supported there too, so you're good to go. Let's begin. First, open Microsoft Edge. It comes pre-installed on Windows 11, so you can launch it from the taskbar or by searching for Edge in the Start menu. We'll use Edge just to grab the Chrome installer. Next, go to the official Google Chrome download page. The safest way is to type the address into the bar at the top or search for Google Chrome download and pick the result from Google's own site. Avoid third-party pages to keep your computer secure. On the Chrome page, click the button that says Download Chrome. The site should automatically recognize that you're on Windows 11 and prepare the correct installer. Your browser will prompt you to save a file named chromesetup.exe. Choose Save or Save, as if you want to pick a location. If you're not sure where it went, it's usually stored in your Downloads folder by default. Once the download finishes, open the file. In Edge, you can click the download icon and select chromesetup.exe directly. Or open File Explorer, go to your Downloads folder, and double-click chromesetup.exe. Windows may show a permission prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is normal. Click Yes to continue. If you don't see the prompt, it may be minimized behind other windows, so check your taskbar. Now wait while Chrome installs automatically. There's nothing else you need to do here. The installer will fetch the latest version from Google, so an active internet connection is required, and the process may take a minute or two depending on your speed. It's best not to close the installer or restart your computer during this step. When the installation is finished, Google Chrome will open on its own. That's your confirmation that everything worked. From here, you can start browsing right away. The next time you want to use it, you'll find Chrome in your Start menu, and you can pin it to your taskbar for quick access if you like. That's all it takes to download Google Chrome on Windows 11. Quick, secure, and straightforward. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new browser.